Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we go into checking out 5 best welding helmet for beginners you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best welding helmet in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Proud Panoramic Welding Helmet. The viewing area is very large, especially if you include the side windows. It's super easy to add and adjust a cheater lens. The digital filter works very well. It seems built to have a PAPR system added. The top head protector is nice. Living in Phoenix, it's hard to make myself wear a welding cap. The large clear grinding window has been super handy by simply flipping up the welding filter. The headgear is fantastic as well, the most adjustable and most comfortable out of any welding headgear. Convenience to adjust. Allow worker to handle non-welding tasks without removing the helmet or supplementing an additional face shield. The shell of welding helmet is made of high impact resistance nylon, operating temperature is 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The solar-powered welder helmet combined with a highly sensitive probe, 4 premium sensors. Perfect for TIG MIG arc, plasma applications with grinding feature, DIN 5 to 9 or DIN 9 to 13 for welding, cutting and grind area. For details, let's watch more. Our second best welding helmet for beginners is Welder Large Welding Helmet. As a hobbyist metal worker or classic car builder, I have had low-end and high-end helmets over the years and each have served their purpose. But none have had the viewing area and clarity this one does. While the side windows make such a difference in my ability to work. No longer do I need to lift hood to see the area around what I am welding. The weight is great too, light and comfortable. Now you can make a good view even better. Upgrading the welding helmet with True Color technology preserves the existing 1112 optical clarity rating, improves visibility by reducing the lime green tint. True Color technology enables you to not only see better, but also see more. The large viewing area with DIN 5, non-auto darkening side view gives you a full range of vision in relation to the welding area, which enhances operator control. Headgear with oversized comfort cushion provides extensive adjustability, settings, and improved support for better fit and comfort. The passive UV-IR filter works continuously and independently, providing consistent performance with or without power. Third pick in our list is Lincoln Electric K3034 Welding Helmet. Much better than that green glow I'm used to seeing. The sensitivity and delay works perfectly. It's all good in the hood, great clarity, great functionality. Headgear is pretty cool but takes a little getting used to. The Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet that is Generation 4 is the ultimate blend of comfort, productivity and optics. The one-of-a-kind X6 headgear contours to the head to establish 6 contact points which distribute weight, eliminate pressure and provide a personalized fit for maximum comfort. While low-profile external grind button allows you to quickly switch from weld to grind mode, significantly reducing downtime. These new features are coupled with our industry-leading auto darkening lens platform. Our exclusive 4C lens technology creates a crystal clear, true color view of the arc and puddle to enhance your control and increase weld quality while reducing eye strain. While the quality of the auto darkening lens is critical, the size is also an important attribute to consider. The 3350 series features an extra-large 12.5-inch 2-viewing area. The fourth generation of Viking 3350 series welding helmets is here and is available in over 15 different styles to provide professional performance and appeal which stands out from the crowd. Number 4 in our side is Thulium welding helmet. The true color technology is amazing. The darkness adjustment lets me dial in the perfect shade for watching the puddle and seeing the path. For this hobbyist, it's my investment so far. Reducing the lime green tint, like looking through the clear window glass, providing a clearer welding vision to see your workpiece and ensure accurate location of welding point. Welding helmet equipped 3.94 into 3.27 inches large viewing area with 4 arc sensors. M800D welding lens allows you to choose from shade 9 to 13 weld mode, shade 5 to 9 cut mode or shade 4 grind mode. Welding helmet with delay and sensitivity adjustment. Last in our best welding helmet for beginners list is Edgear welding helmet. This helmet has 180-degree vision glass so you can see front and peripheral. It has all the settings for welding, grinding and plasma so you can adjust it. The sensors can catch different levels of flames and adapts to daylight to adjust for the brightness. It is adjustable to different size heads. It even comes with replacements for the glasses inside. This is the best one I have used. Welding is not an easy process, especially when you think about welders who wear a helmet for the better part of a 8 to 10 hour shift, so you may need a professional, clear, comfortable and convenient helmet. The arc light can cause great damage to the eyes, and sometimes even blindness. Therefore, you must have a good professional welding helmet or professional welding goggles. The auto darkening filter switches from bright to dark in 0.1 seconds. Professional DIN 4/DIN 913 dark shade effectively completed the task of blocking arc and protecting eyes in welding. After welding, the vision returns to clarity. You can have a clear vision without taking off the welding helmet. Lightweight, suitable for long time working, balanced with an adjustable and fatigue-free comfortable headgear. Adjustable head suspension for increased comfort. You can adjust the sensitivity on the outside of the welding mask, enough interior space increase air permeability and avoid stuffiness. Unique design makes less fog. A great personal protection equipment designed for industrial use that can handle multiple processes of plasma cutting, abrasive weld cutting grinding, DC TIG, AC TIG, MIG-MAG, MMA stick welding, which are popular in metal fabrication industry, welding schools, welding shops, auto manufacturing and repair industry, ship factories as well as DIY hobbyist projects.